Subcontractors versus employees. It's a huge, huge, hugely important piece of information for homeowners to know the difference. What do you get with subcontractors? You get someone who doesn't know the agreement that you've had with the person that you bought something from. They come into your house, they're not being managed. So many things can go wrong. Employees, they already know. They've got the paperwork, they've got the chain of command, they've got everything that they need to know about your job. They're getting paid by the hour or a salary. They don't need to rush. They are paid to do the job correctly. And the end result is you get the best possible scenario for yourself. If anything goes wrong with your job, you have the company behind the entire presentation that's there to take care of you. Subcontractor points the finger. Would you let just anybody into your home? I wouldn't. Making sure that people are vetted is extremely important. You want uniformed, drug-tested, vetted employees coming into your house. You don't want some guy showing up in a van with a dog and a boombox that's going to set it in your living room while you're trying to work from home and blast his heavy metal music all day. I had an experience like that a couple of weeks ago. Unbelievable. That's not what you want to deal with. These people are going to be in your bedroom. They're going to be in your bathroom. They are going to be in your kitchen, your dining room, your living room, in private spaces, in offices, in your garage. You want to make sure that the people that are coming to your house are uniformed, that someone knows where they live, the social security number, that they are decent people. Have you thought about the liability of inviting somebody into your house that doesn't work for a company? They're an independent contractor. They have no insurance. They have no workers' compensation. And they are doing a construction project in your house. Sliding glass doors. The weight of these doors, even though they slide beautifully, it probably weighs 100 pounds. Back problems, shoulder problems, tripping problems, shut your finger in the door. How about using a drill? Drilling through the header, looking up, getting metal filings in your eyes. All of these things people don't think about. But anytime someone comes into your house to do work, if they don't have insurance or workers' comp, guess who's paying for anything that goes wrong? You are. Do you have any interest in quality? You're paying good money for good products. You want to make sure it's installed properly. Again, subcontractor versus employee. Subcontractor wants to come in, get paid by the piece, and get out. That's how they make their money. Employees get paid to do the job properly. It doesn't matter how long it takes. We are there to make sure the job's done properly. Whether it's an entry door, whether it's a window, whether it's a set of beautiful French doors. Let's talk about these doors over here. You want to make sure that when you buy nice quality products, that they work beautifully. If you get a door installed and the side lights don't operate, you're going to be very frustrated. Does the screen fit? Does it close properly? Does it lock properly? Your door, is it a nice smooth operation? Does it stay where it should when you let go? Or does it start moving by itself? Can you operate the passive side? Does it all work nicely? Does it line up? Does it meet the floor correctly? There are so many things that are involved in putting these products in well, that if you take a risk, you're going to end up either unhappy or spending unnecessary money to make things right. This is a beautiful door. I have one of these in my house. And when it works properly, it's a beautiful product. Don't take the chance of not getting what you paid for.